Hello friends, welcome to the toothscorner.com videos. Is white pasta good for weight loss? Today let us see the amazing benefits that your favorite pasta beholds and the right technique to eat them with a healthy recipe that you will love to make it. Let us begin. Weight loss and white pasta, these do not go together at all. In a weight loss plan, white or refined pastas are a strict ban in most of the diets. It is associated with weight gain and hence is miles apart from the food chain of Weight Watchers. As pasta is one of your favorites and it is a challenge to keep you away from the tasty lip-smacking dish. So do not worry now, there are ways you can make your pasta healthy and may include in your diet as a weight loss food. Isn't it amazing? Researchers have found that eating whole wheat pasta and not other carbs may avoid an increase in the sugar level. Compared to white rice and cakes, whole wheat pasta has a low glycemic index, so it gets absorbed slowly into the blood. Thus, it concludes that whole wheat pasta does not indulge in weight gain. Now let us see how whole wheat pasta is good for weight loss. Before preparing your tasty Italian dish, you shall be aware of its composition, preparation, and varieties available in the market. These factors play an essential role before making a diet plan that includes pasta and its association with weight loss. Apart from the above decisive factors, whole wheat pasta comes as an easy escape and solution to your questions. It contains fiber that makes you full faster, so you are not able to complete the full plate of your favorite food. New varieties of pasta are available that are gluten-free, protein-rich, and with enough of fiber. Pasta made with different grains like buckwheat, whole wheat, and rice are healthier and nutritious than the regular white pasta. Now let us find out what is the right technique to eat pasta. Transforming the way and type of pasta you are preparing will help you enjoy your favorite pasta as well as it goes under your weight loss goals. You need to limit your intake of healthy pasta, exclude the mouth-watering heavy sauces and the excess amount of cheese. Instead, prepare pasta with lots of nutritious vegetables in less oil, and eating the same in small proportions will help you to lose weight. So be prepared to make pasta with a different grain, limit the intake, and consuming it once in a week will never harm your weight loss regime. Now let us prepare a simple and a healthy pasta. Homemade tomato whole wheat pasta is simple to prepare and is a delicious filling food when you are on a diet. Let us see the preparation of the authentic pasta that is one of the best from the diet recipes. Please note down the ingredients. You need 3 teaspoons olive oil, 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 carrots, half green capsicum or bell pepper, 4 to 5 florets of cauliflower, half teaspoon dried oregano, 2 tomatoes chopped, 1 tablespoon tomato puree, half teaspoon sugar, and 100 grams of whole wheat pasta. Now let us see the method to prepare the pasta. Firstly, peel the vegetables and chop it finely. Heat the oil in a pan. Add onion, garlic, carrot, capsicum, and cauliflower. Saute it until soft. Add the tomatoes, sugar and tomato puree. Add salt and pepper. Simmer for 20 minutes. Keep it aside. Boil water in a large pot, adding salt, and cook whole wheat pasta until done, around 8 to 10 minutes. Once cooked, drain excess water and pour the tomato gravy over the pasta and mix well. Garnish with dried oregano. Serve hot. I hope you agree with me and include whole wheat pasta in your diet without any hesitation. That would satisfy your cravings and will not increase your weight. Thank you.